Imagine your mind and body are like a garden. If you water the plants, pull out the weeds, and give the garden sunshine every day, it grows beautifully and stays healthy. But if you forget to care for it, the garden becomes messy and the plants may not grow well. Meditation is like giving your mind and body that daily care. Or think of your mind and body like a little house where you live all the time. When the house is messy and noisy, it feels hard to relax. But when the house is calm, tidy, and filled with peace, you feel safe, happy, and strong. Meditation is like cleaning and calming that house every day. It helps heal you, not with medicine, but with quietness and gentle care. When we practice meditation regularly, meaning we sit quietly and do it often, not just once in a while, it changes the way our brain works, almost like rewiring the circuits inside. This is a powerful thing because it makes us feel better in so many ways. Happiness and peace inside. Meditation helps us feel more content, which is like being happy with what we have, and it gives us a deep sense of calm and well-being. Stronger and more focused mind. It makes us more resilient, which means we don't give up easily when things get tough. It also helps us focus better, like when you're able to pay attention to your homework or a story without getting distracted. Better health. Meditation isn't just good for the mind. It also helps the body. It can lower stress, which makes us healthier both inside our heads and in our bodies. Kindness and understanding. Finally, meditation helps us grow softer hearts. We become more empathetic, which means we can understand how others feel, and more compassionate, which means we want to help when someone is hurting. So, just like watering a garden every day makes it bloom, meditating often helps our minds and bodies grow strong, healthy, and kind. How meditation heals you. It washes away stress when you sit quietly and meditate. It's almost like giving your brain a soft hug. The busy, heavy thoughts that make you feel worried or tired begin to slow down. This helps you feel lighter, calmer, and safer inside. Stress is like carrying a big heavy backpack full of rocks every single day. Meditation helps you take some of those rocks out so the backpack feels easier to carry. That's why people who have health problems that come from stress, like an upset tummy, IBS, scary memories that won't go away, PTSD, or body aches and pains, fibromyalgia, often feel some relief when they meditate. It makes your memory and focus stronger. Meditation also helps your brain focus better, like shining a flashlight on the thing you want to pay attention to. When your mind isn't jumping around like a monkey, you can remember things more clearly and understand them better. Imagine you're trying to read a book, but a noisy TV is playing in the background. It's hard to remember the story. Meditation is like turning off the TV so you can really enjoy the book. This makes your memory sharper and your thinking clearer. When you meditate, your body relaxes deeply, almost like it's taking a soft, peaceful nap while you're still awake. This deep relaxation helps to calm down stress, which is important because stress makes the body busy fighting and worrying instead of healing. When the stress is lowered, the body has more energy and strength to use for fixing itself. That means if someone has a cut, an injury, or even just had surgery, their body can send its helpers to repair the hurt areas faster. It's like when construction workers can build more quickly if there aren't any distractions or traffic in the way. So, meditation gives the body a quiet space where it can do its best job at healing and repairing itself. 10 benefits of meditation. 1. Helps you feel less worried and overwhelmed when you meditate. It's like giving your mind a quiet break. This calmness makes stressful thoughts feel smaller and helps worries fade away. Instead of reacting quickly when something hard happens, you can step back and see it more calmly, almost like watching a storm from a safe shelter instead of standing in the rain. 2. Strengthens your concentration. Meditation trains your brain to pay attention better. Just like lifting weights makes your muscles stronger, sitting quietly and focusing makes it easier for you to stay with one task at a time. Over time, you can read, work, or study without your mind wandering all over the place. 3. Teaches you how to handle emotions. Sometimes feelings can feel too big, like anger, sadness, or fear. Meditation helps you pause and choose how to respond instead of reacting right away. This makes you feel more in control, like having a remote control for your emotions instead of letting them control you. 4. Helps you know yourself better. Meditation lets you slow down enough to notice what's going on inside you, your thoughts, your habits, your feelings. This self-awareness is like looking into a mirror, not just to see your face, but to understand your heart and mind more clearly. 5. Helps you sleep more peacefully. When your mind is full of racing thoughts, sleep can be hard to find. Meditation gently quiets the noise in your head and relaxes your body, making it easier to fall asleep quickly and rest deeply through the night. 6. Keeps your heart healthier. Meditation helps the body relax so much that it can lower blood pressure and slow the heartbeat. This takes pressure off the heart and helps protect it from future problems like heart disease. It's like giving your heart a daily rest from working too hard. 7. Grows kindness and understanding. By meditating, you begin to notice not only your own feelings, but also the feelings of others. This makes it easier to care, forgive, and show kindness. It's like planting seeds of compassion in your heart that grow into gentle actions toward people around you. 8. Sharpens memory and thinking power. When you meditate often, your brain becomes clearer and sharper. Blood flow improves, which helps you remember things more easily and solve problems better. It's like clearing the dust off a chalkboard so you can see the writing perfectly again. 9. Helps you enjoy the present moment. Meditation teaches you not to live too much in the past or worry too much about the future. Instead, it brings your attention to what is happening right now. This makes life feel richer, calmer, and more peaceful, like truly tasting your food instead of rushing through it. 10. Unlocks your creative side. When your mind is full of clutter, it's hard to think of new ideas. Meditation sweeps away that clutter, leaving space for fresh, creative thoughts to appear. It's like opening a window in a stuffy room and letting fresh air and sunlight in, sparking new possibilities. What are the types of meditation? There are many kinds, but here are a few simple ones. 1. Breathing meditation, focusing on your breath going in and out. 2. Mindfulness meditation, paying attention to what's happening right now without judgment. 3. Loving kindness meditation, sending kind thoughts to yourself and others. 4. Body scan meditation, noticing how each part of your body feels, from head to toe. 5. Guided meditation, listening to someone's voice or music that helps you relax. What's the best time to meditate? The best times are usually early in the morning or before bed at night because the world is quieter and your mind feels calmer. But really, the best time is any time you can sit quietly without too many distractions. Even a few minutes during lunch or after school/work can help. How long before you start seeing results? Some people feel calmer right after their first time meditating, even if it's just 5 minutes. Bigger changes like better sleep, less stress, or sharper focus usually come when you practice often for a few weeks. Think of it like watering a plant. One day of water helps, but watering it every day makes it grow strong and healthy. So, meditation heals you in gentle but powerful ways. It lowers the stress that makes you feel heavy, and it gives your mind the power to stay clear, focused, and strong. Just a few quiet minutes each day can make your mind house clean, calm, and full of peace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the gentle powers of meditation and how it can bring peace into your life. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and of course, Subscribe so you won't miss more calming and helpful videos like this. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me if you already meditate or if you're just starting your journey. Until next time, stay peaceful and kind.